Get ready for an unforgettable experience. The thunderous roar of engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to a whole new level. Don't miss it.
When slicing a 40-inch giant, I trust nothing but a steady hand and a 4.5 Nm chainsaw. Sharp blade, strong grip, that's all it takes to tame the woods. Slept so deep and woke up homeless. Guys, haha. With a 60 HP John Deere 2040, hauling 16.000 pounds of 32-foot logs. It kicks up dust like an Indy 500 race car. Here comes the beast, the Morbark 5048 Sax, 1.050 HP, chipping a 14-inch log like popcorn. Bam! Gone in 3 seconds. The Spetruck TMF32-22's grapple works like Hulk's hand. One grab, and a 13.000-pound bundle of logs flies straight into the pile. Easy as grabbing a bag of chips. Boom! With one cut from the 3.2 Nm steel chainsaw. The 20-inch tree crashes down. Sawdust everywhere. straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. The 35 Nm chainsaw glides smoothly through the 22-inch log, peeling off silky boards, with the rhythmic hum of the saw sounding like a forest symphony. Oh wow! A giant and rare teak log, with a stunning 24-inch diameter and silky smooth grain. Cutting it feels like unlocking a hidden treasure in the forest. Oh wow! The agile Sapavi LV600 with 5-6 HP storms through the bushes, clearing them like a fresh-cut log. The log splitter with 15.000 psi of pressure snaps a 12-inch log clean in a flash. That cracking sound is pure bliss. Goodness gracious. This 60 HP stump grinder chews through a massive 20-inch stump in no time. Just a few spins and the stump is gone like magic. The SP7015 packs 74 HP of muscle, grinding through a massive 18-inch oak stump like a hot knife through butter. That stubborn root didn't stand a chance. The mighty champion with 40.000 Newton meters of torque struggles to rescue a 66.000 pounds log truck. 22 feet long, mud flies everywhere like a battlefield. $18-ton forestry machine, 160 HP, hauling 4 tons of timber, wheels drowning in mud, but this beast keeps grinding like a true swamp warrior. Brr, freezing. This tough 120 HP tractor powers through a muddy, waterlogged road at -14 degrees Fahrenheit, hauling over 15.000 pounds of timber. What an epic off-road battle. The Gens Hem 582Z, 625 HP, chomps a 12-foot, 16-inch log, and spits out chips like a paper shredder on steroids. The HYPROFG45, with a 2.200 lbf hydraulic drift, clamps a 10-foot sapling and slices it like celery, fast, crisp, and clean. So dang satisfying to watch. The mighty HYPRO 450XL. With a cutting capacity up to 18 inches. Slices through a 26-foot log in a blink, smooth like cutting sugarcane. What a spectacular show deep in the woods. The Volvo FH16.600, packing 600 horsepower, teams up with a Feynman-built trailer and a mighty Epsilon loader to effortlessly lift 40-foot pine logs onto the truck. Like a graceful forest dance. Oh wow, so satisfying. This heavy-duty wood splitter delivers over 35.000 Newton-meters of force. One powerful smash and even the toughest log explodes neatly into 8 perfect pieces. A 25.000-pound truck laying on its side. Yet an 80-horsepower Belarus pulled it out like it was nothing. Never underestimate a small machine. It's all about the soul inside that engine. The Tigercat 630E, powered by a 260 HP engine, charges forward and clears 10-foot tall brush in a flash. Dust clouds swirl and trees bow down, like a raging storm tearing through the woods.